subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
After a long gap, Honor has now finally launched its most awaited smartphone in India called Honor 9X. And it is the global variant with different set of specifications compared to Chinese Honor 9X version that was launched back in July last year. Talking about the specifications, the new Honor 9X comes featured by a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a large 91% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Kirin 710F chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU, and it also supports GPU Turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The device packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512 GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Honor 9X features triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and supports AIS Super Night mode, plus 8 megapixel super wide angle lens with f2.4 aperture and supports 120 degree field of view, plus 2 megapixel depth sensor for bokeh effect with f2.4 aperture. The triple rear camera setup also supports AI video stabilization for smooth and stable video recording. For selfies, the company has added 16 megapixel pop-up camera at the front with f2.2 aperture. The handset runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box based on EMUI 9.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 10 watts charging via USB Type-C port. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.5 by 77.3 by 8.8 mm and it weighs around 196.8 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The new Honor 9X has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees. And for 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will go on sale starting from January 20 in India in sapphire blue and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor 9X smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSoul blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.